did you want to do a demo or something?
Me?
Yeah. No?
No, him?
Yeah.
You want to do a
Yeah.
demo? Okay.
I think. Do you
I'll
pinch hard?
What?
Can you pinch hard?
If I can pinch
Yeah.
hard, like,
Yeah.
yeah, sure can.
Okay. I want you to come here. Well,
Yeah,
we'll sit
Go ahead.
here. Yeah.
Or you think you're liking your hand now?
I want you to gently pinch me.
Gently.
Yeah.
Now,
No, gently. No,
gently,
gently.
like this.
Oh, yeah. A little harder. Come.
Ah, so like double gently.
You can really pinch me. Okay. That's for you to know. That was on a scale of pain from 1 to 10.
Yeah.
That was 3. Okay.
Okay. So you need a 4, 5, 6. You tell me.
Oh, no. I will tell you that.
This is the famous experiment, you know, like,
No,
what
no.
was it called?
When I'll tell you, I want you to pinch me as hard as you can.
As hard as you,
Yeah.
as hard as I can.
Yeah.
Now.
Oh, wait.
All right.
Anymore.
Okay.
You can.
You can.
You can. You can.
Now,
Yeah.
as hard as I can.
Yeah. It was less than 1 for me.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm not a good pincher. Picking.
Yeah.
Whatever.
You know, I want to insist on that because I usually on past days I didn't feel anything, but it was wrong for me. I made some tests and it was wrong for me to not feeling anything. You know, I couldn't know if it was hurting me or something like this, and I think the superconscious mind instantly get it, and so now I know that the pain will, when I do self-hypnosis for dental stuff or I bump into something, you know, you bump your knee somewhere. It's very disturbing pain. Okay, I ask my superconscious mind to do it, and it prevents the pain because I know what caused it. If I need to know something else, if it's not good for me to be relieved of that pain, I will not be. You know.
But you have like a preventive pain, pain prevention all the time, or what? Or like,
No, no.
Walk on that leg, so you need some kind of feeling.
Yeah.
So you don't.
yeah, sure. I mean,
Yeah.
pain has
For that,
function.
for that was. Oh yeah, you pinch
But
out.
minus
But
1 is what? Like you felt pleasure, or what? Or
No.
like,
No,
warmth,
no.
No, you said
I felt something. I felt something. I felt, you know, yeah, and
Like-
sensation,
like-
a pain, like a tiny pain
like
from
a little kiss.
on one.
Yeah, all right.
Not a kiss, just a
A
little pain.
mosquito kiss. Okay.
Yeah. But you know, I'm able to do that for a demo. I can do that if for surgery or stuff like this. But I can't do that if I put my hands under hot water, by example.
Okay.
If I'm doing something that will hurt me,
Really hurt.
yeah,
Okay.
the superconscious mind
So-
will
so-
not help
yeah.
me.
So the fakir stuff is not for you.
I don't think
Like, or the sword.
so. I never try, but I don't want to.
Yeah, it's better.
I tried a lot of things,
don't
but
try your
no.
Okay.
And you know, basically, I just ask the superconscious mind. For that example, I just asked the superconscious mind to put my arm in Esdaile state, and
Anesthetic. Yeah.
and that's why I wanted you to wait, because when I'm in Esdaile, I feel some tingling, so I needed to wait to know that arm was in Esdaile, but I could do it in another way. I just could. It's more about the intent. I don't need to go in Esdaile every time if I bump into something. I just ask the superconscious mind to help me with that. Relieve me from what it needs to be relieved. If the pain is not needed, I don't need it. It's as simple as that.